In this video, we are going to look at Grifform's different shower pan drain options. This is the last section of our variation section and allows our users to customize their drains to their own specification. Currently, through the Grifform website shower pan builder, you can select two drain options, standard drain and trench drain. Grifform's trench drain option runs across the shower pan and is built to floor level. At the end of your quote request, you can specify in the comment section if you would like a trench drain with concealed drain access or perforated drain access. All water collected by the trench drain is directed back to the main exit drain hole cutout in the floor. The standard drain cutout option is your typical circular drain. The location on both standard drain and trench drain can be specified to align to plumbing. There is roughly a 2% slope between the outside edge and drain location. To ensure that every product has efficient water flow, all shower pans sent out by Grifform are water tested and documented.